waso be hye enti na Mark Abraham bo no nwom bi say man na enye odepi the moment na obema na ya ode bebere no na woda uye die so woda unkunim die so because wo hwe sa survey ya be ya July 2025 na per this survey no honorable Ken na owo 51.4% and Dr. Bawumia wo 42.2%
yes.
per the survey
yes
and wo hwe January 2026 year wo mi ya since year no honorable Ken aba benya 52.0% and Dr. Bawumia former vice president so benya 40.0%.
All right, let's look at something. Table now, come on. What's say July?
Yeah, July 2025.
July Ken Enya say.
July 2025 Kenya 51.4%.
Okay.
Last year.
Okay. And I about October.
Yeah. October no Kenya 53.1%.
Which is
October 2025.
Yeah. So the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia July 2025.
And after October.
Yes.
Okay. July 2025 no per the survey here no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 42.2%.
42.2.
Yes.
Okay.
July. October no esoteba from obenya 39.0%.
Odonjele.
Yeah.
But Kennedy echoes through.
But Kennedy goes through. Kennedy moved from 51.4 to 53.1 per the survey.
And Bawumia move from
42.2 esoteba
to
39.0.
Which is sad 3 shortage in Kokan.
Aye. And wo hwe January ya womi yo mode beto abeya and also no Dr. Bawumia ne figures na 40.0% and Kennedy die no ejina 52.0%. That is say from October to January kra no we fa ne se kakra bi na free so
which is one akoka eye Bawumia die no
exactly
and na Ken die no eswate by 1
yes
because October was 53
October.
And it's about 52 and Bawumia was 39
and I call
40
yeah inti yeah say we will be so view and it hear me they say Ofre Harry communications director ma NPP Amenyoko for the region Harry asisu say omo nka say we no abasa into omo da dabi cause say we ya wadwen say say bere mo beda waso be hye on say na ye worker say be can say last days are dangerous no crapa because and na 13th we the 13th no cry free 31 days no makase barely by 20 days and 18
yes
okay 18 days you know baby abetimi asi and everything is possible
sure
but the members from money say I can say any dey kwasi Dr. Brian Munyina Wombi Dr. Yawadutwum Wombi and afei engineer Kwabena Japan Wombi but we sure the key people are about to original one so Dr. Bawumia and honorable Kennedy Japan mesro omo say enkofo ekasama wonum enkofo a omoso omodo wo mo no omuntu omofo se sa ifri sa bere kopim 31st no obi anko kansem bi a ebeka akoye se panyin na wodi na chire na wasoma ne se nipa nya den enkoye se ba ko hu nipa bi ko bibi sa bere mu a kopim to ambeto aba na ebe affect nipa.
But something beats my imagination. Musa Dankwa just as ana Harry Kanasem no ono so the survey na wa ye nyina no eputu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ahead of Kennedy Japan.
On say kwesi survey no obi ane ba bi obi sa nsem
and the sample size
no obi ane the we see fine
and American
baby a nipa no baby obi a wo ye ne survey bi anem ne oyo na kwesi say obi a wo ye ne survey bi anem ne oyo na kwesi say wo ba Ghana ha by election party ne yenim se ne sitie uko voter region yenim se ne omo voting party ne sitie uko eastern region yenim se ne sitie uko Ashanti yenim se ne sitie wo ba western yenim se ne sitie western north yenim uko Savannah ene north onom bono ne nade de ade na omunim se ne election party ne sitie this will be called these regions election party ne sitie this will be called these regions so okwa akoye ne survey when the outcome of survey na okwa akoye no enti sa na we no sotie sa na tie enti me de survey de ebeba but sa wodo ho to so bebira akwasi ho bedu dokono kwa eye adwuma na wose wo nipa no ye den wo ye bese nyina no yasoda fom okwasi adwuma ye ntinsentro adwuma ne na fom yenso yasoda fom yetetinsem but enye nsem ni nyina na ye ne yebetimi abetena ye den abeka me obi amoye pass ye meka sa.
Oh yes, but the last time that we spoke on survey like this, na all the analysis na bibia eputu Bawumia ahead.
Yes, that was last year.
Was it last year?
Last year before ye bedi bunya no. Yeah.
Na bibia eputu Bawumia ahead. And we share Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Senya wasi akari no ho, you don't hear anything insulting from here on one kasa. Just then time na what the thing kofubi no wudi na chiti say abronye and a host of many ana wo mo kasa every na ede bibi eba. But here we are today. Sa nneema ne nyina wotum se ne nyina abrase from the camp of Kennedy Japan, and even how Kennedy himself has even nurtured himself. And then the way I was see carrying home within this very campaign period it's a good news for the MPP as a party.
Kwasi but ne nyina mu no asemo ho. Yes,
but they've carried themselves well.
Sure.
Because was Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia that you and I we all knew. Say on the humility and sad and that we saw Kennedy to be obia. Now on so no
okasa
voice for us. Obona Jane, but this time no.
Who's a humble?
Yes.
Say our back from cry. And also a fact. And one thing about
could it also be say Kennedy Diana more or less of crocodile the John? Because we don't know him to be that.
Because nipa sesa.
Okay.
Nipa sesa.
Okay.
When we say in life no nipa wu nyina
na wo sesa.
Na wo niam bi sesa.
Okay. So with that answer now we demand yen hwe eye ensem bi mo ebi mo eka about Kennedy akompreko Japan. Say Kennedy the way city and he cannot be president. But we should the way at this time you see atemu no na. He can be president.
And then on say kwasi obi ka say Kennedy won't be my president here nipa no oboa o anya dey aso no man kan fa na ado dan kwa Akufo-Addo won't be my president da Akufo-Addo won't be my president da kwasi dey ni see here
kai when Akufo-Addo won na your Independence Square 2017 years when in even that day now he was being sworn into office na sasema okay na
enya o ma we mu ne yetena na ebi mu kasa Akufo-Addo won't be my president da ensem bi ebi mu keka ne de menko omo kan keka nsem bi e de lenke tu nyema bi enso ya ne ba enso na papa yi wabafuru ga na kunwan ya man panyina wotitu sesi ayi John Dramani Mahama the first time obetwa 4 years wi ya olusu ye de ensem no manka
wo se wo
Mahama want me be president biem kwasi ye ne ti ya pe last year na wabafuru kunwan no
on eti so no
enti sasem no say sasem no so obi ntimi me president de wunye nyame and going forward in the future no wonye den wunim enti me hu say no politics na ya na ebi mu ye say obi ntimi me president but wunim nipa adwen wo adwen na wo kire but obi aso ne na adwen because what I say hwe say bible mu ne obi a friend so ya na wo chichi nyame asuafo kum wonom a no ye demboni na enei obebe ye Paul wo hwe bible no kra no a wo twerɛ scriptures ne biblia
obo
adwuma unipa asabi no unipa boni ni ani enim no se akoye ye wudini wo ba na akristofo dwane no wono be gye nyamesem tumu ma nyamesem konanim a everything is possible and you have found say no aboken wakasa na wakasa mre bi atwam eno nkyerɛ sɛ enei no wagya kasa no kan ye bi wo hono mu a ontimi nyawo and even wakasa no kora no so ba se oba be pa kan ye bi dia I'm telling you say kwasi Ghana fo bi so yada no
sure
Ghana fo bi so yada no wo se na ya wo sika ne nsem ene bi mu so nya dan embe enti ene na watimi aba form no ehu kwasi this election enye hize sa o
osuasu Bawumia na
onsu Bawumia ono yo ono ena Bawumia
I'm talking of humility
onsuasu no e na me tro say wi ase nipa esesa ena stages in life no ba bia ne de wuduru a wo ye
enti bia kwasi anso no hwe ase on sesa nante
enti baby adu no papa na say look baby a me koyi me komanim ena de bia na me prendo so no enye de bia e da form enti fine in as much say me you bia me kasa sabi ensem bi koso a me de me so meka this time I was say me brɛ makoma de ben ase na me tie de nkofo ye den eka no na say ebi mu kra kire mu kra na on person mu kire say honorable Kenny Antichrist on pa Christo for 7 na de but any one na masori dem was say nya sa na
Ghana ha no wo bo asofo achi a yes wo ya
wonya asem
but sofo na nkasa nso nim se ne ono nkasa nso eye no enye
na hwan na beka so woni obi a wo bold
nti wo kan yes wo so wo mpe sofo asa
o man na etim no nya kwasi de omnu no wo kan no kura pe wonye nti ama kwasi Ghana for ke ka no kura but de ama no kura kan ye ntimi kan ye wo ko kan ye betage ye betan oh na no make say be your last year say where truth is perverted it is foolish to be wise baby a kura kan wo ye wadwen say onko abeka no kura masa won hwe beji wafiro be konkofo na go mo mpe no kura nti na ama mo pe no kura wo man mu nyina ntimi nkasa onsa ye wasofo akase bi wo man mu a ne be bi koso ko betimi aka bi omo do o man ko tumi say be say di wo matam wo man nti wan kan so what in baby ye problem eno no nti sa asem ne say wo bi ntimi me president ye kwasi o ma baby asie o akufo do wo ntimi me president da papa yi na obefro kunyo wako 2 times o man pani John Dramani Mahama o lusu 2016 no na ye say the way was say lusu no hu bi da papa yi ko ba ya wasan bebo NPP for femfram and what kunyo isu it is say obi ntimi me president de wunye nyame.
Yes, same thing is also being said about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
So want to my president. Yes. Say matese nkofo kasa. Say na kwese me kasa. Say nsem no kafa Dr. Bawumia won say want me my president ya. Unye nyame o. Eye bre ne nkrabia na be den.
E be kire.
Aha. Eye bre we won say obi won ma ne hyebiri mu no ya hyehya ato say obedi o mampanyini. But bia wo nim say nyame na ball no nyo na ball no. But nyame before a wode aka ne be hye won sa no. Wode wo fa baabi no bibiri. Ansa na bre no so a wode ayeden ashawonsa enti wo hwe Dr. Bawumia say a hwe ba bia wo firi wodi na nadu achi a omulusu no mo kokod you and you were not there.
Yeah.
Sa se no nyina abeti to omamo
you and I were not
there. Yes, and actually papa yi kakra NPP we ne ye wa ba vice president wa fam wa father me onim asua niema bibiri.
Yeah.
And Ghana force ye kwa akoto aba was me mon first year ne hye me so no mo se yemfa ma no ma fa ma no enti ka say papa no nsu ahwe kwasi oni ama hwegu a na hunu hyehyɛ wo.
Yeah, sure.
Oni ama hwegu a na hunu hyehyɛ sa
because on say ohwiase no.
Oh yes.
Wo yen hwɛ the campaign about Bawumia ye no mun first year na mame time. Na yen hwɛ this time nso so.
Nani ada ho.
I remember say Adeba kubia Bawumia ye ya emame manage ne ho eye when na oje Akufo Adom so etum.
Yeah. Nse sa na also ye.
Say about 2024 na wo mkokoto ye no. Ni esi ye bia no. Omomfa bone no enso ano. Ojitum. Omomfa nche. Obi
a we ready so opese wo som no sa na wo se wo ye. And from so by you don't apportion blames.
Okay.
Say we na ye. The moment ya obi apportion blames kwesi na ye mistake na ye ADB na ye no. Now the titimu ni chichemu ye den. Eba nti if you are a good leader, now person you a good leader. Asem ba ntina won say abusuan panyin na wotifia wantimi ansisi abusuan sem ye no. Wonya abusuan panyin papa. Ye money din papa. E wo say wotimi de wona isi form. Na wo gi asem ne bobo na wa ye den. Wo sisi ebi na ono ye no. Ompe koka bia wase mo fa subo na nya den emo me and say I said you atem ni bi wo ho no ma me na me di ahye me ho me wa na me so true the mo ka kire me no me fa so di sisi me niema so that emre pam no sa kwanya ba mo no ha wa mesi atoto me niema afa and wo hwe ye man panyin wo tesu sisi ya obedi akunwa no first 4 years no kwasi ye hunu niema so ye sa o ye nyina ne eto man mu ene ma koyi bara kire oba ba ko anye wo sa ko second anye third one ya we win last year 2024 on wade a mampani John Dramani Mahama woye won ma de kuntia na niema ahwe agu pen
kwa hyehye ne ye
sesia wa hunu hyehye and wa ba ban ne mu da hunu ne tuam enti sesia no wontumi me ne krokro de dwon na ne ye den eda ho enti abrabon no kwati sa na tie enti so woka se Bawumia ntumi me yo mampani ni da wo adwen na wo che no nya Ghana fo nyina adwen o maybe where you are coming from baby a wo gina no ena ema wo de ayeden akasa bia wo kan on political lines enti sa na wo be hu na kan ba Ghana fo no de hu ni sa na zi Ghana fo no mo di tell me about one NPP ni ndc fu Ghana for determine election the obe win no enye NPP ni NDC fu eye floating voters no floating voters obi won ma fe kra na wanya 18 years ya obeto aba wono no NPP ni NDC no wate se ohonom wonimu but say ni pan wotiatie nkoma ekoso na odi agina so ayeden atuna ba ene wo the elites enso ohonom a omo no omo nhwe NPP ni NDC se obi woro kwa NPP ni but wo hwe na ne party no sabi niam nkoya obeto atia ne party obi wo so NDC ni wo hwe na niam nkoya obeswitch anasa aba ne kwa onyeden onko 20 vote floating voters no omo na e determine
but with the floating voters asma na wo hwe eye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia senior na wo kan wo nipa wo nyanya aside the service awodo amanfo eye ni nyina no mesika say what they was so to form na we go down to the MPP core leaders and members nankasa honma you hear say Bawumia really is making it.
Yeah.
Even within our constituency and the region. So what they was so to form na wuti ni ankrofo ka. What you say Bawumia eko. So that's it. I don't know of the other regions though, but within the MPP itself nankasa no. What you say they know Bawumia to be their leader.
Yeah, because see they all kind of their fact. Just say once initially me they kind e pass a comment be say ye central for and yen so ye ne NDC fo bi di nkomo ye ne NPP fo bi di nkomo na enye nkomo no nyina na abetimi abetena radio so ayeden aka ba yen so no ye ya so toto fo mu a yesu ehunu ne yeden e kwantiti se ne wo kan wo hwemu a mpayimfo dodo no ano etwema Dr. Bawumia say ombe lead party no and a party many bi so a omo ye delegates. I remember say when was it? Let me say over the weekend. I learned Saturday no me ko baby me to din koma na one gentleman by NPP ni me ne did koma na o kire me say ono no oto aba ni bi na obeto ama Dr. Bawumia and am say aden ono so Mr. na say ono ne ya ton no and ye ka say sesa no a e be hadwen enye se bia ono oboken on penasem but ono hu ne say baby o ma ton papa na duru no omo ma ne to so
that sympathy is what is giving Bawumia
yes
they're not
but because in all this you know we say yeah latter part of the year last year and Ken ni warm up no so sha say ebem we say emu ho baby bi no na yente o monka kra anti emu bi kra remember say we interview bi I say o campaign na yeden
atonso yes
but if free last year December ho baby ba na ho ke bia Tim Ken for no so de ba no ano de even this year
but I remember many Pius Abeka
only in interview
in command the Pius was telling me say woman niam no woman nya ni gidigidi woman niam na nya say ye nam na display of bibia da form
me Pius wadin komo o catch me pain say o mba wi ni
and that day on air okay
after owning an interview no me ne din komo na o psychiatrist say Mr. Ya win one time enti wo hwe ne yekono a
wo tie vim Pius edi kasa what you say
edi won ne kasa o ne do kan ye no achem ne din komo wo san si su bio na was like na go for edi vim pa no ada o mahunu bibia na because I don't get it o say what do waso tutu from a bibia fever Bawumia but almost vim bi ekura wo no de ba no just o monte se dogo bi no abe wo mo se o mo so wene eti ama I can't see no I had den kakra kwasi I had den
the kind of one time prediction was na I Harry make appeal to delegates say ono de onim se Bawumia ebe win but the margin any idea also delegates so womo emma more na widen sene be ya whoever obeys oba be shia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia in 2028 bia budo say this very man won the election, I mean the primaries, with a wider a larger margin.
Because the okay na me gina hona me so me Adeakyea Abia to die so Dr. Bawumia so wenia Me enye me ngwa. Because that is the mindset of the
but
people.
when Ken wins, it's gonna be a surprise.
Yes.
Yes.
Say Dr. Bawumia Wenia,
and but